So now we need to know if we can execute the design that we created together. So
Yeah, well, let's look at this design.
yes.
We've got the 2 colors, which means 2 stencils like we mentioned before, but this is a relatively small design. Now, if I were to put this on a t-shirt and wear this out, a lot of people probably wouldn't know what it meant. So it's probably going to have to be bigger, right?
Okay.
So when you're getting ready to execute your design, make sure that you're not getting or putting something on a t-shirt that doesn't make any sense. Do you have words on it that you can't really see from afar? Do you want people to come closer to read smaller words? That's one of the themes of our company. What is going on with the artwork? Is it legible? Do people understand the concept? I remember I had one guy come up to me and he said that he had an idea for a t-shirt and it was called "No bragging, just facting." Well, first of all, I thought he said no bragging, just fagging. And second of all, I had no idea what it meant. So if you have this thing and it's this inside joke and it's great, but you're sitting there and it doesn't make any sense to anybody. I mean, and great. I mean, no bragging, just fagging sounds pretty cool. But I mean, it's like, I don't think that this man was gay, and I don't think that he was really truly conveying clearly what he was trying to design.
So you have to make sure that your message is clear.
Yes, and
to the audience,
executable.
not just to you.
Yes, so big.
Yes, big and clear. All right, so next, what are we going to learn?
And the next thing that we're going to learn is how to pick the right t-shirt and everything that's going to complement our design the best.
Great. So that's coming up next.